Alright guys, this is like a quick update on the electric remote control lawnmower. As you guys can see, I added a solar panel and that has worked out really well. So we got some all 12 volt system here. So I'm running it at 24 amp hours with two 12 amp hour batteries in the bottom. I still have the two motor configuration on the linkage there, coming across down to the reel for the for cutting the lawn. Then of course the two wheelchair actuator motors for propulsion. This is a 30 watt solar cell picked up on Amazon, about 80 some odd bucks, with the charger right there. Since I put this cell on here, the solar panel, I have not had to plug the thing in at all. Leave it out all week and it pretty much stays charged and ready for the weekends. So I haven't plugged it in since I put the cell on, which works out phenomenally. Also did some changes to the program. Sat out for a couple of rainstorms we had, so the LCD is missing a bar there before I sealed it up. I was going to change it out to a real weather box, so we won't have none of that. I also put the electronic speed control in there too. Been lucky. But I mentioned I changed the programming, so now on my PS2 remote, this slider here actually changes the top speed from snail's pace for going around different items to pretty much its full capable speed. And that's all due to the slider on my remote. The actuator for level is actually set points now. It's not on the slider anymore like I had it before. So there's like I think 5 or 6 levels I set. But I only use like really 2. So it goes a lot higher than what it really needs to be. You can still use, the blades can still use a good sharpening, but all in all, it keeps my lawn in line. Thank you guys for watching.